Hey guys, it's Alicia, aka Voted Best Hair. Thank you so much for joining me back on my channel. If you're a returning subscriber and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for dropping by today. So you guys, I typically do, a lot of hair and beauty videos, but today I'm gonna do a lifestyle video for you. It's January 1st and I am ready to take down my Christmas decor and transition into, my normal stuff. And so I thought I would share that with you guys today. I love watching these types of videos. I will sit on YouTube for hours watching people clean their homes, watching people decorate their homes, and I figured since I love those videos so much, I would try them out myself. It's 2020, it's a new year, new content. What do you guys think? So I typically will do all of this after the new year. I know a lot of people do it, take down their decorations right away. Some people may leave it up for, through February. So let me know in the comment section below how long you keep your Christmas decorations up. And so without further ado, we're gonna get into this video. And if you guys are not a subscriber, feel free to go and hit that subscribe button. Hopefully by the end of the video, you'll like it enough to wanna come back and see me. All right, let's get into the video. All right, so this is what my living room is looking like now. And as you can see, I'm very traditional when I decorate for Christmas. I love the reds and the accents of gold. I love the poinsettias and the greenery. I actually bought some of these lighthouses this year for Christmas, which I really enjoyed. And yeah, so this is pretty much how everything looked for Christmas this year. So I forgot one thing. I gotta get that mistletoe down. But yeah, so that is it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will probably make some changes to this. Who knows what'll happen, but for now I think this is good. I love like all the neutral colors. I have like the tans, the whites, the creams, the golds, the blacks, just very neutral. And so yeah, if you guys like this video, please give me the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, seize your destiny and have fun doing it.